What's up, people? So today I am doing a makeup tutorial for my first YouTube video, and I hope you guys like, and I hope you make fun of me, and I hope you comment about how much of a wannabe beauty guru I am. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, I don't care. I'm literally doing this because I'm bored. And yeah, and so I actually really like how this look turned out. This is kind of like my everyday look. If you want to achieve this look, just skip on ahead of this intro because it's let's get into the video.
Okay, so first off, we're going to start off with the Instaglow Peachy Glow CC Cream. And basically, I'm just going to put this on my finger and start applying it all over my face. So next we're going to go in with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Mattifying Primer, and this works really good on my face because I have oily skin, and I usually pat this in because sometimes it gets a little crusty if you rub it in too much. So yeah. So next we're going to go into concealer using the Maybelline Master Contour Stick in LA Girl Pro Concealer. So usually I start off with the stick using the concealer side because there's a contour side to it, and I just highlight the T-zone of my face and everything else. Then I go in with the LA Girl Concealer and kind of highlight under my eyes. Then next I go in with my beauty blender and I blend it out. It usually takes me a really long time to blend this out, so you can skip through this part if you'd like. I tried speeding through it, but I don't know. After I'm done blending my concealer, I go in with Colormates Pressed Powder. I don't really like showing this on camera because it's kind of used and it's kind of ghetto looking, but it's whatever. Anyways, I just use my big fluffy brush and I put it all over my face basically. Then for contour, I go into my E.L.F Contouring Blush Palette. And this works really well for bronzing, and I basically just go in and I use my contour brush to blend it out. And this brush is a little more bigger and fluffier, so it's kind of easier to blend out. Yeah. I don't know why I'm so awkward in this video, but I really hate how my face looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I actually was not expecting to voice over that at the same exact time. Coincidence? I think not. Anyways, yeah, I blend this all out and till I feel it's blended.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Totally forgot that this thing is like broken, but just like me. But yeah, we're still gonna use it.
So besides that mess, we're gonna go in with the Smooth Minerals Avon Peachy Blush. I really like using this blush because it's very pigmented, as you can tell. And I like blending it into my cheeks so I can get that sun-kissed, glowy look. Oh my gosh, I can't English, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I just blend it all over my face, Okay, I meant cheeks and nose. Yeah. Next, we're going to go into highlighting, my favorite part, and we're going to go in with this beautiful shadow, the Maybelline New York, in the shade the Glo Down. And I go in with my M.A.C Fix Plus setting spray, and I spray my fan brush. Okay. Anyways, so I start strobing, that's what I call it, my face, and basically just get all the points, highlighting points of my face, my nose. I really like getting the tip of my nose because I just like how it looks, I guess. And I get the top of my lip and my chin a little bit. Now I'm going in with some eyeshadow from this palette I made at M.A.C, and I'm going in with this burnt orange, as you can see in the video, and I'm just blending that in my crease, and yeah, basically that's it.
Okay, so I know there's a lot of girls out there that they're like, tap access. And I'm like, I want, I guess, more pigment, if that makes sense. And I don't think it's really necessary to tap the excess off. I mean, I do it sometimes, like when I'm doing like slowly like transitioning into another shade, I will like tap the excess off because I'm like trying to like get a little bit of color at a time. But when I just want to go all in, I just, you know, I don't think I'm a guru. I don't think I ever will be an actual beauty guru, but like I do want cosmetology to be one of my careers. And if you don't like that, then oh well. If you think I have like no talent in makeup, just comment below and tell me how much of a loser I am so I can quit and, you know, forget that career. Because I'd rather have people be honest with me now than like later when I'm getting like I'm on like a show or something, like that would ever happen, but where people are like, you actually suck in front of like millions of people on the internet. So yeah, just hit me up if you think I'm crap. So thanks.
Okay, enough of that chit chat, and we're gonna go in with mascara and my eyelash curler using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and this eyelash curler I got from the dollar store. And so yeah. Also, ignore my ghetto looking mirror, by the way. It's originally from that Colormates Press powder thing I got, but I ended up like breaking it, so yeah, I'm kind of an idiot. So now going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, which by the way is really affordable and works amazing, at least on my eyelashes, because I have really short eyelashes. Anyways, I just go in and I kind of separate the lashes, and it takes me a long time, but you know, I guess it takes everyone a long time to do their eyelashes because they're so small, I guess. I don't know. But yeah.
How it looks. So I actually really love this mascara a lot. This mascara is so good, and it's only like $10 at the drugstore. Like I got this at Walmart because I'm just like a cheap hoe, and yeah. Oh, baby, come here, come here. Okay. We're gonna add M.A.C into the video because she's a little metal.
Okay, so now for the lips, we're gonna go in with this honey lip scrub that I got from Lush, and this is going to exfoliate the dead skin off my lips and kind of make them more lush.
I don't know why I just did that.
So after I exfoliate, I go in with some chapstick and then I put a little bit of moisturizing lipstick on. So I got this Lotus Spa lip balm from my cruise and I really like it because it smells good. And then I got this Tarte lipstick in the shade Wildberry, and this was really moisturizing on my lips, and I kind of just pat it on my lips to blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC Fix Plus to set my face.
A hoe is set.
So in case you guys are wondering where I got these brushes from and what brand they are, I will link them below in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.
Alright everyone, that is it for my video, and I hope you enjoyed making fun of me and watching how much of a loser I am. And so yeah, like I said at the beginning, do what you want, like, subscribe, share, comment, I don't care. And if you want to follow me on social media, those links will be below or somewhere in the video. And okay, bye.